My friend did it. I just thought I should take the chance too. I actually want to do this for a career, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Just try my hardest every day, and it's just been great so far. And I love everybody who's helped me out, and all my instructors, they've been very good. And just them working with me, working with everybody in the class, so it's just been great.
So our program is 16 weeks long. It takes the students through some basic stuff like safety tools. They learn about small dents, doing some paint prep, assembly, disassembly. So it basically gets them ready to be an entry-level technician. And then after the first 5 weeks of school, then the students, after they finish class in the morning, they actually go to a shop for a paid internship. So at the end of 16 weeks, hopefully that they've done well enough at the shop that the shop's going to want to keep them on and continue their training, because they're not fully trained at this point, but they do have the entry-level skills to get into a shop.
This program has been excellent, schooling-wise and in the workplace. So I'm excited for the next group to come in and educate these kids and get more in the industry and help this place grow.
I was already looking into Rock Valley. I didn't know they had like a body program, but I'm glad that I found it. I would recommend the RVC collision program to anybody who's interested in auto body.